Welcome to aminacademy.com. In discrete mathematics regarding functions, let us discuss about equal functions. Two functions are said to be equal. Two functions are said to be equal if and only if the domain of f, now first function f, is equal the codomain of the second function g, and the codomain of f is equal to first one, the domain of f is equal to the domain of g, and the codomain of f is equal to the codomain of g, and f of x equal g of x for every x belong to their common domain. These are the conditions for the functions to be equal. Now let us do some example to understand this concept. Example, if x equals set of 1 and 2, y is 3 and 6, and f of x gives y, means f of x equal to y, given by f of x equal x square plus 2 and g of x equal to 3x, then show that f of x equal g of x, means we have to show both functions are equal. Now f of x equal given x square plus 2 and g of x equal 3x is given. Now here we have to substitute the domain value of the given function, that is f of 1, first one, that is what the first function is x square plus 1, means 1 square plus 2, which is equal 1 square is 1 plus 2 is 3, like g of 1 equal 3 into 1 equal 3. F of 2 equal 2 square plus 2, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Here g of 2 equal 3 into 2 equals 6. Hence we get f of x equal g of x. So both functions are equal. Now let us do one more problem. A function f is defined by f of x equal x square plus 5x minus 5 for x is greater than 0. Find the value of x which is unchanged by the mapping. Now since it's given, find the value of x which is unchanged by the mapping, which means we can say f of x equal x. Now substitute f of x, that is given x square plus 5x x square minus plus 5x minus 5 is equal x, which gives x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 equal to 0, by simplification we get x square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. By factorizing and solving we get x plus 5 and x minus 1 equals 0. From that we get x equals minus 5 and x equals 1. The possible value of, therefore you can say the possible value of x is 1 only. The minus 5 cannot take because the domain is given the value of x is greater than 0. So we got the value of therefore we got the value of x is 1. We are done.